What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. You guys requested this top knot bun tutorial, so let's jump right into it. To get this look, all you need is some braiding hair. This was $1.99 and edge control and some bobby pins. I love Hicks edges, so that's what I'm using today. And because I'm doing this on old hair that needs to be washed, it didn't really sleek down like I can usually sleek it down, but this will have to do. I always make sure that I re-moisturize my hair. I spray a little water first and then add some oil on top. And then from there, I go ahead and grab my Hicks edges. And because this is braiding hair, it's a little bit straighter. I want to make sure that I don't use like Eco Styler, because for me, my hair will wave up and curl really fast and it won't blend as well for me. Now my hair is previously blown out. My suggestion to you is to do it on blown out hair or stretched hair. Once we are done laying down them edges a little bit, I always use like an elastic band, something that does not have metal on it, because that can break your hair. And we also do not want to be walking around with a headache, so do not do it too tight where it's unbearable for you. Grabbing that braiding hair, do not use that rubber band. Again, do not use that rubber band. I went ahead and tied an extra elastic band around there and then grabbed a second one so I can easily attach it to my bun. See, this is like super easy. It's a style I used to do all the time when I first went natural, and I was waiting for my hair to really just grow so I can get that mega bun, and you can easily achieve it with this $1.99 here. The hard part is done. Now you're just going to kind of twist the hair a little bit and then just continue to wrap it around till you get toward the end and tuck it. We are almost done, y'all. So now we're just going to take some more bobby pins and then just secure the bun just a little bit more. Secure the bun so nothing happens to it. And you can mold your bun however you want to. Mine is a little lopsided, but you know, who's perfect? We're gonna work this bun anyway. And then I'm just gonna take some more of my edge control and just kind of sweep some up, kind of get those hairs in the back, because it's just not laying like I wanted to. But after we add our scarf, leave it on for about 15 minutes, and then we done. Like done. You can touch up your edges a little bit more if you need to, but I think overall it came out really cute. Especially if you just have a day where you don't know what to do with your hair, just throw it up in a bun. Grab you some $1.99 hair, girl. And as y'all can see, I kind of changed the bun up just a little bit. Mold that bun however you want to, boo. But as always, I hope you guys get the same results or even better.